Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how we can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for a icon next to brightness slider and click on it. As you can see, now it's white. That means that auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. But you can also go into settings, scroll down and tap on display. Over here click on brightness level and tap on the switcher next to automatic brightness. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto brightness is now on. Sorry. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!